Historically, we have seen us banking on two sources of information on the business processes. The first is talking to the subject matter experts who tell us as to what the business process looks like. Or second is looking at the knowledge documents that exist in any organization, which walks us through the different kind of steps that are taken in any business process. What we have seen is that there are challenges associated with either of those two approaches. Subject matter experts generally give you the happy path. They talk to you about the main flow of a business process. And the body of knowledge that exists in most of the organizations are more often than not outdated. What we have seen that on the shop floor, when users actually execute the business process, they follow a pretty different path than what is either told by the SMEs or is referred to in the body of knowledge. So getting the right business process, looking at the different exceptional flows, looking at the alternate flows as to how the process is actually executed, looking at the exceptions that come up in any of the business processes while they're getting executed is key to the success of any business transformation automation program. For us, to make sure that we can do this, it is really looking at how we capture the user keystrokes as to how they're executing the business process. Looking at how those keystrokes can get us that empirical data which talks about how the process has been executed. Combine it with the power of sophisticated neural network algorithms and then come out with a true business automation program roadmap. That is how we believe automation programs are successful. AssistEdge Discover is a non-intrusive product that leverages user keystrokes, leverages sophisticated neural network algorithms to amplify and accelerate the power of automation. Free from any human bias, using empirical data, we have seen the chance of success of any program significantly improve by leveraging AssistEdge Discover.